This video explains how you can install antivirus software for your Mac system. So AVG provides free antivirus for your Mac system, not just Mac, but it also provides antivirus for other operating systems like Windows and Linux as well. So here you can see that on the avg.com there is a free download for Mac, and you can see once you download that app file will be downloaded, and you have to just double click and then install that AVG antivirus. Once it is installed, you will see in the menu bar over here, and this is the icon of AVG antivirus. I've already installed that, and you can scan your PC, check for updates. If you want to open the AVG antivirus, click on that one, and then that is how it will look like. And it will also show if you are protected or not. So right now you can see that everything is displayed in the green color. That means I'm protected, and what services are on: file shield, web shield, and email shield. And if you want to scan your Mac system, you can click on this button, or you can click on this options button, and there will be lots of types of scans, like Mac scan, which will scan the most vulnerable areas of your Mac. Then there is a deep scan, which runs a longer and more intensive malware scan. And then finally there is a file scan, scan specific files or folders on your Mac. So there are three scan options over here. And very important thing is that this antivirus software is free. So you can just go ahead and download and install this antivirus, AVG antivirus, for your Mac system. Thanks for watching this video.